First stage. Make your dreams come true. Every decision you make is based on your feeling of fear or desire. That whatever you think about it more, you progress in it. If you think about your dreams a lot and write them down and plan constantly to fulfill your dreams, eventually your dreams will become so powerful that they dispel your fears and abandon them. A burning and strong desire for any purpose enables you to overcome its obstacles. Your desire is always present in you. Just find them. In setting goals, you can be completely selfish. That goal should be your heart's desire. You have to be very clear about what you want to be, to have, or do. What is your specific goal? What is your valuable purpose? What purpose in you creates great passion? Here we will look at 6 valuable targeting questions to find out what makes you the happiest person. Here there are 6 questions of targeting to ask yourself again and again and again and answer. I suggest you take a paper and write your answers on it. The first question. What are 3 of your most important goals in life? Just pick up your cell phone and set the timer for 30 seconds. Write the answer in just 30 seconds. This is called the quick list method. When you only have 30 seconds to write down 3 of your most important goals, your semi-conscious mind will quickly categorize many of your goals. Your 3 main goals get into your conscious mind quickly. Write your answer on the next page. With only 30 seconds, you have as much as time to choose that if you have 30 minutes. Question 2. If you find out today that you are no longer alive for 6 months, what do you do? How do you spend your time? This question shows the importance of your wishes. When you have a time limit, you become aware of who or what you care about even in your imagination. Someone would say, if you only had 1 hour and you didn't know what you were going to do, it means you're not ready to live it. Now tell me what you were doing. Write it down. Question 3. What do you do if you win $100 million in the lottery? What do you start and what do you stop? How do you change your life? And what do you buy? Suppose you only have 2 minutes to write down the answers, and you will only be able to do and achieve what you have written. This is a question that helps you determine what you would do if you had a lot of money and enough time, if you had no fear of future. The most obvious answer to this question is given at the time when you recognize how different you would do your job if you felt you had the choice. Question 4. What were you scared into not doing that you intend to do that? Think deeply and answer this question. What programs do you have in your mind that others will not let run? With this question, you can identify your fears and take action to overcome them easily. Question 5. Which action will give you the most pleasure? What brings you the greatest sense of self-esteem and personal satisfaction? This is another valuable question that can show you where you go to find your heart's desires. You will always be the happiest person to do what you love to do. And doing what you love must be certainly an activity that makes you feel alive and satisfied. Question 6. The big question. If you know you wouldn't fail, you dare dream of doing what a great job. Imagine, just imagine, the supreme power will appear or a special angel will be revealed to you by God and fulfills one wish for you. That supreme power assures you that you will certainly succeed in whatever you are trying to do, whether small or large, short term or long term. If you were granted success in any job, Small or big, what exciting goal would you choose? If you know you wouldn't fail, you dare dream of doing what a great job. Believe you can be the same, have it or do it. The fact that you will realize it, that you can achieve it. When you know what you want, the only question you have to answer is this: do I want it enough? Can I afford to pay for it? Take a few minutes, write the answer to each question. I remind you, your answer to this question make an amazing impression and serve the universe at your service. It's so important, not anything else. When you create the answer on paper or in your mind, go over them and choose only one as your main goal in today's life. It's so important. By this method, you know what you want. And by writing it, you can lead yourself to the top 3% of your society. If you accompany it all there, prove your readiness to yourself. Congratulations, because you have created a set of writing goals for yourself. And now you are ready to make the big jump to the skyscraper of your desire. That's it.